Hey, tire technicians, come a little closer. Okay, all right, maybe not that close, all right? As techs, I know you love to joke about how engineers make your lives a little harder. Let's be real though, they've just got different priorities than y'all do in the shop. All those complex designs and high-tech materials aren't meant to torment you. Automakers and engineering teams have strict goals to meet from the government and themselves. One of those major goals is shedding vehicle weight. In this video, we tell you how OE manufacturers are shedding weight using brake components. Vehicles are becoming heavier, which means they need larger, more robust components to keep up. Extra weight comes with extreme trade-offs if not accounted for though, like loss of acceleration, ride quality, and efficiency. And in a day and age where consumers want vehicles with better performance metrics, automakers are forced to engineer lightweight parts to reconcile these demands. Here's where brake components come in. For automakers, brakes present prime opportunities to cut weight without compromising function. Lighter components reduce unsprung mass, so wheels and tires react quicker to inputs. For example, aluminum alloys replace cast iron for caliper bodies, and exotic rotors use carbon fiber rather than cast iron. One example is brake components made with carbon. Carbon ceramic braking systems are formed from specially treated carbon fiber compound that is silicated in a high vacuum process at higher temperatures than any stop could produce. They also offer extreme weight savings, but are generally found in high-end exotic cars. When it comes time to service these lightweight braking systems, cleanliness comes first. Clean away any dirt, corrosion, or contaminants from the hub face where the rotor sits. This will help prevent the risk of lateral runout and a potential comeback for brake pedal pulsation. As for replacement, counsel your customers on preserving the benefits OE offers by using quality replacement parts when service is needed. For example, if the vehicle comes with carbon ceramic brakes, do your best to replace them with the same type of components. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.